So if you've been wondering how you can view the followers list of a private account on Instagram, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how that works and what doesn't. Just stay with me until the end so I can explain everything clearly. First, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. You might be wondering why. Well, we need to make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. This helps everything run smoothly and ensures you have the most current features. Once your app is updated, go ahead and open Instagram and log into your account if you're not already. Now, if you're trying to view the followers list of a public account, it's super easy. Just go to their profile, and right near the top of the screen, you'll see options like Followers and Following. Tap on either one, and you'll instantly be able to see the full list. There's no restriction there at all. But if the account is private, things are different. You can still search for the account, go to their profile, and see their follower and following counts. But when you try to tap on them, it won't let you open the list unless you're following them. Now, I know there are a lot of videos out there saying stuff like, copy the username and paste it into this third-party website to view their followers. Let me be honest with you, those don't work. Those websites are scams. They don't actually show you anything. They just try to make money from your clicks, or worse, trick you into giving up your Instagram login info. So what's the real method? The only legit way to view the followers or following list of a private account is to send them a follow request. Once they accept it, you'll be able to see their followers and followings, just like with any other account. So don't waste your time or risk your privacy using shady tools or fake sites. Just follow the person if you genuinely want to see their list. And that's it. I hope this clears up the confusion. If it helped you, consider giving this video a like and maybe even subscribing for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one.